Welcome. Are you ready to learn about teaching vocational career and technical areas in Pennsylvania? In the next few minutes, I will show you how to access information and briefly discuss the general requirements for vocational certification in Pennsylvania. We will start on the Pennsylvania Department of Education website. On the blue ribbon, choose Educators and then Certification. On the certification webpage, select Vocational Certification from the Resources box to the right. On the Vocational Certification page, you will first note the link to a list of currently issued vocational certificate subject areas. Click on the link to see the list of certification areas and the associated code for each one. This information will give you an idea of vocational subject areas needed in Pennsylvania. Once you have a vocational teaching job offer, you will need to contact one of the 3 vocational teacher preparing universities listed below. Available vocational teaching positions can be viewed at www.pacareertech.org. Many titles of vocational subject areas are very similar. To assure that the correct vocational subject area is being applied for, go to Instruction on the upper blue ribbon and select Career and Technical Education. Then scroll down and select Classification Instructional Programs or zip codes from the bottom right side of the page. Find the zip code of the approved program at the Vocational Career and Technical School where you will be teaching. For example, zip code 11.0801, web page, digital, multimedia, and information resources design requires either a bachelor's degree and the Instructional Business Computer and Informational Technology Certificate, code 1603, or a Vocational Digital Web Design Certificate, code 2586. You will also find a description of the program and any notes that may apply. When applying in the Teacher Information System, or TIMS, be sure to select the proper 4-digit code listed under Certification Required or Occupational Competency area. Now let's look at general information regarding types of vocational certification credentials. The Vocational Intern Certificate qualifies you to teach in the occupational competency subject you hold while taking 18 program credits and the basic skills reading and writing tests needed to receive the Vocational Instructional 1 certificate. The basic skills reading and writing tests will not be required if a bachelor's degree is conferred prior to entering the vocational program. Acceptance for enrollment in the vocational intern program requires verification of 4 years of wage earning field experience in the occupation to be taught. This experience must be within the past 10 years. Passing the Occupational Competency Assessment, or OCA, process is also required. The university will register you for the proper assessment. The OCA can be a National Occupational Competency Test, or NOCTE, a credential review, or a committee evaluation for certification areas when a NOCTE test is not available. The intern certificate is valid for 3 calendar years and is not renewable. In most cases, an emergency permit is needed first until the OCA has been passed. Information for emergency permits and vocational subject areas can be viewed by selecting Certification Staffing Policy Guidelines, or CSPGs, and selecting CSPG 25. You will also find general information on emergency permits under Certification FAQs. The requirements for a Vocational 1 certificate are listed on the webpage. PDE issues these certificates based upon the recommendation of an approved vocational teacher preparation program from one of the 3 vocational universities. The Vocational 1 certificate is valid for 8 service years. Vocational 2 certification requires at least 3 years of satisfactory teaching years on a Vocational 1 certificate in Pennsylvania. Intern service time will not apply. Completion of 42 additional credits in an approved vocational program, a Pennsylvania Department of Education approved induction program, and a Vocational 2 assessment. Candidates for Vocational Intern and Vocational Instructional certification must apply in TIMS and receive the recommendation of a vocational teacher preparing institution. The preparing institutions are Temple University, located in eastern Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania State University, located in central Pennsylvania, and Indiana University of Pennsylvania, located in western Pennsylvania. The vocational institution closest to you will guide you through the certification preparation process. If you are looking for information on how to be certified as a vocational administrative director, go to Educators in the upper blue ribbon, then Certification. Select the blue Administrative Supervisory square. When you are ready to apply, select the green TIMS link for Help with TIMS. This general information video is meant to guide you through the process of vocational certification. For more information, please contact the Certification Services Division. Email us at ra-edcertquestions.gov. Best wishes in your endeavor to become a vocational educator.